What's up guys? On this first installation of what's inside, we're gonna go over my air system and the reasoning behind it. I built the system because I didn't want to pay $700+ for a comparable air system, and I also did not want to use an air compressor. My air tank is made up of parts from Amazon, and that includes the high flow fixed regulator, the tank, and the recoil hose. My 10-pound air tank allows me to air quickly and quietly. This recoil hose is pretty compact and lightweight. Just be sure that it is rated for 200 psi. This gauge is only used to let you know if you still have liquid in the tank or not. It is not used to tell you how much or how full your tank is. Pressures in this tank on a cold day can be as low as 500 to 600 psi, and on a hot day around 2000 psi. I took my high flow regulator to my local Home Depot just to get a better idea of what fittings I would need to buy. And while you're there, make sure to pick up some liquid thread sealant, as I had some leaks when I used just the Teflon tape. This regulator is fixed at 150 psi, which is perfect for what I will need to do with it. It also allows me to use air tools on the trail for repairs. That's a plus. The choice is yours when it comes to your inflator. It could be digital or analog. I love this air tank setup because it's portable, it's fast, it's quiet, and is relatively cheap. It only costs about $20 to refill it once every 5 to 6 trips, and that also depends on how much I air down. In the description below, I'll leave links for everything that I've used in the build. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to leave those down in the comments and I will get right back to them. Again, thanks for watching. Have fun.